In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a simple refresher, no worries, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and navigate through these easy steps together. First, you want to start by locating the sign in option. Usually when you visit the QuickBooks website, the sign in button is prominently displayed in the upper right corner of the home page. It's the gateway that allows you to access your account and manage your financial data effectively. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on that sign in button. Now that you've clicked on it, you'll see a variety of sign in options available. Since we're focusing on QuickBooks Online today, make sure you select the option specifically for QuickBooks Online. This step is crucial as QuickBooks offers multiple platforms, from the desktop version to mobile apps, each requiring its own login. By choosing QuickBooks Online, you ensure that you're directed to the correct portal. Moving on, it's time to enter your credentials. These are your email address or username and your password. Make sure you have these details handy beforehand. A little tip here, double check your entered information to avoid any hiccups. Typing errors can be frustrating and may lock you out of your account, especially after multiple failed attempts. Once you've carefully inputted your details, you're ready to hit that continue button. And there you have it, you've successfully signed into QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing personal finances or overseeing company accounts, you now have access to all the tools and features QuickBooks provides. You can view your income and expenses, track sales and payments, and even create custom reports, all from the convenience of your login. Remember, keeping your login credentials secure is just as important as signing in itself. Use a strong password and consider enabling two-factor authentication if it's available. This provides an extra layer of security and ensures that your financial information remains protected. In summary, you've embarked on the seamless journey of signing into QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, clicking on the sign in button, choosing the QuickBooks Online option, entering your credentials and tapping continue, you gain full access to your account in just a matter of moments. Whether it's tax season or routine bookkeeping, you're now better equipped to manage your business finances effectively. Thanks for tuning in and happy bookkeeping.